IASS 各位朋友、女士们、先生们，大家好。
Greetings to all ladies and gentlemen at the IASS International Conference. I'm Ouyang Yuanwen, CEO of Shanghai Tongzheng Aluminium and the chairman of Shanghai Jian Aluminium Structure and Architecture Research Institute. I would like to begin my presentation with a little preface of the development and features of aluminium structure. The use of aluminium in building structure dates back to the year 1951. The Dome of Discovery was the very first aluminium dome structure and one of the largest dome structure in the world during its era. In recent years, aluminium alloy 6061 T6 are most commonly used in large span grid shell structures due to its high strength, lightweight, corrosion resistant, and highly recyclable characteristic, where the beams are connected with aluminium plate using permanent lock bolts. The production and construction are fully digitized and prefabricated. The structure can be fully integrated with other building systems such as facade, LED lighting, solar panels, and operation control systems. The aluminium canopy of the Shanghai G60 Science and Technology Cloud Gallery is one of our most recent aluminium structures to be constructed. The canopy sits on 11 tower buildings at a height between 78 meters to 103 meters. It has 110,000 LED lightings integrated into the structures, and 30% of its surface is covered with solar panels to generate electricity. You can see that the canopy is mostly constructed using aluminium I-beams. And in the location where the canopy is supported by steel branches, a small quantity of steel beams are used to resist a larger concentration of loadings. The canopy is 736 meters in length and 126 meters in width. The most crucial steps during the design process are the form finding, static analysis, and construction simulation. The principle of minimum strain energy is adopted in the design and analysis process to achieve the perfect balance between structural performance, cost of construction, and building aesthetic. With the use of various parametric design software, we can see a clear transformation of initial canopy surface from the first surface at the top left corner to the final grid pattern at the bottom right corner. The curvature of the canopy is achieved by connecting straight aluminium beams with a curved aluminium gusset plate. And in this page, you can see that the beams are strengthened with stiffeners at the edge of the flanges. And to improve the shear resistance at the joints, X-shaped shear connectors are installed at locations where larger shear force exists. These are the diagrams showing the result of the static analysis in various modes and loading combination. And for the construction simulation, we have considered 4 different construction schemes, and the most optimal scheme was selected after a thorough analysis. During the analysis process, we have identified a total of 26 structural members with a deviation in stress ratio greater than 5% compared to its stress ratio at rest. These members were later adjusted to satisfy the calculation, making sure the canopy structure is safe during the construction and its entire lifespan. Next, we have a video demonstration showing the construction sequence and construction methods deployed. For such complex project, the construction is one vital part in making the project achievable. In this video, you can see a combination of on-site installation, bulk lifting installation, and large hydraulic lifting platform. The hydraulic lifting platform is designed to lift up a sector of aluminium structure covering an area up to 2,000 square meters, and the same platform will reuse up to 3 times from one area to another area during the whole construction. And here, I would like to show you some pictures of the completed project, where you can see the elegance of the aluminum canopy, how the canopy expresses itself from different angles, and its beauty at night with the LED lighting system on. Besides the G60 cloud gallery, there are many other fascinating aluminum structures constructed across China that uses the same technology. These aluminum structures can be seen in building types such as stadiums, botanic gardens, transportation hubs, exhibition, museum, and commercial buildings. Over the past decades, we have successfully developed and constructed aluminum structure using a smaller and weaker profiles from the right to larger aluminum structure using much bigger and stronger profiles to the left, from a simple I section to a RHS section and even a double hollow aluminum section. And lastly, let me show you some other equally successful and iconic aluminum grid shaft structures, such as the Shanghai Tongzheng Botanic Garden, the Chengdu Coubertin Modern Pantheon Stadium, the Nanjing Asnisa Palace, the aluminum sunroof of the new Beijing Daxing International Airport Terminal. That's all with my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we welcome you to pay a visit to all other amazing aluminum structures here in China. And if you have any technical questions, please feel free to contact me through my email or our website. Thank you very much.